In today's fast-paced world, small businesses strive to save time and enhance efficiency. Can automation be the key to success? Enter Keap, a game-changing automation tool tailored for small business owners with big ambitions. Discover how it transforms operations. Imagine freeing up hours by automating repetitive tasks like follow-up emails and appointment scheduling. Wouldn't that be a dream? With features like a centralized CRM, Keap offers businesses a complete view of their customers. It's like having superpowers at your fingertips. The marketing automation capabilities in Keap enable personalized email campaigns and effective lead scoring. This boosts your revenue potential exponentially. Getting started with Keap is easy. Just create an account online and dive into its powerful dashboard filled with essential functionalities. Customization is where Keap shines. Create custom fields, tags, and templates to make the platform uniquely yours and perfectly aligned with your brand. Backed by comprehensive support resources, Keap ensures you'll never feel lost. Experience seamless operations, happier customers, and business growth with Keap.